I've literally filmed this intro so many times, I don't know why I'm incapable of explaining things. So for today's video, I am going to be bleaching my hair. I know I did literally just upload a video of me dyeing my hair dark, but I just decided I was going to be crazy and bleach as well. So I'm going to try and make this intro short and snappy because I keep refilming it and it's taken me so long to explain things. But basically, this is me from halfway through the video. I have already bleached it once. I did take an intro before I did that, but it was on my old camera and I wanted to make it better quality, and also I just looked really ugly. So I'm obviously not bleaching all of my hair, even though I'm so tempted to, but I just know that I'm gonna regret it straight away, so I don't think I should. I am hiding the bit I've already bleached, but I do explain a bit more halfway through the video, but I basically just have to bleach it a couple more times. But it will all make sense when you watch more. I literally can't breathe because I'm talking so fast. Also, a quick note is that I've never bleached my hair before myself, so if it turns out terrible and all my hair falls out, then don't judge me. I hope the lighting's okay. Last time it made me like it's very overlit. I don't know if that's the word. Also, we just ate pizza, so if there's pizza on my teeth, then just ignore that. Today I accidentally opened one of the bottles and the lid like flew off and I thought it was going to explode. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna section my hair up first. Oh, I want not a really big bit, but like a fairly big bit. But my hair is really thin at the bottom, so if I take more from the top, like it's really big at the top, I'm still really thin at the bottom, so I don't know. This is the bit that I'm gonna dye. How uneven is it? Because I can't see. Also, I've had such a nightmare this week with this video, haven't I? So I'm going to tell you all about it. It does say that you need to do a strand test, like I said this in huge bold letters, but I'm just going to be crazy and not do one because I really can't be bothered. It's not really that much, to be honest. I don't think I should do it anymore. I know that I'll just keep doing like bigger chunks and then my whole head will be done.
Oh my god, I can't believe it!
I'm just really worried it's going to end up like chewing gum or it's all going to fall out my head. That's why I shouldn't dye my whole head, because then if it goes wrong I'll have to literally shave it all off.
I mean, it's not that much and it's all frayed out like that.
Yeah, look at that, what the hell.
Do another wee bit then.
Like from the top, the bit you told me not to do. You should just do it. Yeah, why not? This dye literally came on Monday, so I've had it the whole week, but I ordered a new camera. Oh my god, I ordered the Canon G7X Mark II, the one that like all YouTubers use, so I'm really stepping up in the world. And I wanted that to be my first video, like bleach my hair a while. But then the camera just hasn't come yet and I got impatient. Stir the developing lotion and bleach powder together using a tint brush. Don't know what it is.
Your whole head.
Do you actually want me to be long?
No, I just want you to be crazy.
Really?
No.
I think I'll look cool. I really think I'm gonna come out here looking
The dog
like
box.
so cool. But I don't know. May not happen. I think this is what I'm meant to do. Can you quickly double check the instructions, please? Usually I don't care about the instructions, but this is kind of a big deal. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Every time I breathe in, I feel like my insides are getting burnt. Okay, it's going on. I'm regretting this. This is a bad idea. I've made a mistake.
I can't believe I've done this.
Oh my god, I can't wait. Also, I'm not doing it right up to the root because...
Oh no.
Because I feel as though it will grow out really badly. My eyes are stinging.
Oh my god. Auntie was a hairdresser.
It doesn't mean you're a hairdresser.
Yeah, I got it in my jeans. In my blood. That doesn't work very well, but this bit's going to be dyed beautiful. Ah, the bleach on me!
Oh no, it's going to bleach my arm here. Maybe I should have just done it all up to my roots. Okay, leave one up there. Okay, this is what I've done. Kind of wish I'd done more, I'm not going to lie, but I probably shouldn't. I'm worried it's going to be patchy. That's my like biggest fear, that it's going to be really patchy. And I feel as though it will be. I'm going to leave this on for 45 minutes and then I'll come back and tone it, I think. I just realised that bleach actually also gave me this thing. This is what I meant to mix with the bleach. And I'm an idiot and didn't read it and didn't do it. So if my hair breaks, because this is anti-breakage, then this is why. I just washed my hair. This is what it looks like. So obviously it's ginger, but that's to be expected. I like it, like I don't not like it. I think it's cool, but I just wish I'd done a bit more. Like this kind of is just, it doesn't really feel like a lot. I mean, I guess it is, but I kind of wish I'd done it so that when I like go like that, there's like, oh, that's blonde. I feel like that would have looked cool, but anyway, it just feels like not a lot for spending like £20 on bleach, you know? But it's fine. It's still, I think it's kind of cool. I'm definitely just overthinking it.
That's not like you.
Oh wait, am I even in the shop? Toner doesn't have bleach in it.
I thought.
So if I tone my normal hair, nothing will happen. Yeah, okay, wait. I just wish I'd done more. Wait, I think it looks cool, but I wish I'd done more.
Well, you've not put the dye in. It could look absolutely honking going, and then we're lucky. It's just an expulsion of air.
Oh, I'm getting quite flustered.
I've got the dye in my arm here.
Probably. No, your armpit's kind of...
Try it over my birthmark. Does this wash out?
Do you actually want me to?
Yeah. Does it wash out?
Yes. Yeah, it does. It tones it.
Yeah. I'm going to be toned. I'm going to be so toned.
It's going to be...
Summer body ready.
So yes, what I was saying earlier was my new camera's coming, hopefully tomorrow. It was a bank holiday today, so it didn't come today, which is kind of annoying, and it's bank holiday on Monday, so if it doesn't come tomorrow, then I'm not going to get it till Tuesday. But it's fine. I also downloaded Final Cut Pro, so I'm literally going to be a professional.
Is it free though?
Oh yeah, it was free, and it's only a 3-month free trial, so after 3 months, I'll be going back to iMovie. But it seems really, really difficult, to be honest. And really confusing, definitely not simple as iMovie, so I'm probably going to have to watch some tutorials or something. Okay, I'm going to wash this off. I might come back tomorrow, or maybe later. But it's quite dark, so you won't be able to see my hair in normal light. Okay, hi guys, it is a couple days later, and I wanted to show you a quick update on my hair. This is not the end of the video because I need to re-dye it, unfortunately, but this is what, let me put you down, this is what, oh, also this is my new camera. Oh my god, that I was talking about. It came finally. I already have a vlog up of me using it, so if you've seen that yet, then you'll already know. But how exciting, look at the quality. I was actually thinking about refilming the intro for this video with this new camera, just like it starts off good quality, and because I look really ugly in the intro, but I don't know, maybe I shouldn't, because I feel as though that's gonna just like throw off the start of the video, and I don't know. But here is what happened to my hair. I really like it when it's curled, like I think it looks really nice, but when it's normal, it just kind of looks a bit odd. Also, like the top's lighter. So basically what I had to do was I rebought the Bleach London dye, or the bleach, the total bleach. It just came today, but oh my god, let me tell you a story. Everything I read online says do not bleach your hair when it's clean, because like, I don't know the ins and outs, the scientific reasons, but I think it's like the natural oils of your hair protect your hair kind of when it gets bleached. So I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, and I was like, right, like today I was like, my hair needs washed really badly. Oh my god, I thought that bird was just gonna fly into the window. That gave me such a fright. So this morning I basically checked the like tracking thing of when my parcel would come, and it said it would come within 2 days. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wash my hair today, and then I'll probably do it like tomorrow or the day after. And then straight after I got out of the shower, the bleach came. So I'm gonna bleach it anyway tonight, to be honest. I know I probably shouldn't, but like, I'm really impatient. I've been waiting quite a while for this. But yeah, I bought the total bleach again, and this time I bought the white toner instead of the champagne one, because it didn't do anything. But then I've read up a couple of reviews, and apparently this doesn't do anything either, but you couldn't buy the bleach by itself, which was kind of annoying. I really hope this works though, because I've already spent like kind of a lot of money. Like those kits aren't exactly that cheap. I mean, they're like £17, which I don't know about you guys, but to me that's not cheap. Like I've almost spent £40 on doing this, so I really hope this works. So I've got these camera angles, but yeah, I just wanted to update you because I never finished the other clip. I will like update you throughout the process, but I'm not gonna like completely refilm the whole dyeing thing again, because I don't want to bore everyone, which I'm probably doing right now. I've been speaking for like 4 minutes, so I'm gonna go I'm gonna bleach my hair. Really hope it doesn't all fall out. I'm gonna use the thing that it tells me to like mix with it this time. Yeah, I'm kind of worried that it's actually gonna come out. Also, like, I'm worried to bleach this bit again. Also, I'm gonna do more this time. Like, I'm gonna do it so like when I put my hair behind my ear, you can see it. So I'm gonna try and avoid bleaching the already bleached bit for the first time, but I'm gonna have to bleach it twice. So I'm gonna bleach it tonight and I'm gonna bleach it tomorrow. It might be a really bad idea. My hair might fall out, so if it does, then I'll let you know. So I just bleached this bit. I've gone higher up, but I haven't really gone any further back. So it might look the same at the bottom, which I kind of didn't want, but didn't really want to do anymore. Also, I have done my sideburns, so I look kind of crazy. I'm quite worried about that because I have really thick sideburns and I feel as though I look normal with thick sideburns. So I could look crazy, but I'll just shave them off if it does look bad. Basically, after I wash this off, I'm gonna just repeat it again tonight, which could be a huge mistake. My hair could fall out, but it says you can't leave bleach overnight, and I'm not gonna buy another box, so I'm just gonna risk it. My hair literally looks so bad from here, but this is it after another bleach. It is quite patchy. It really doesn't feel that bad, to be honest, but look at my baby hairs. Look like Draco Malfoy. I have seen that you can put oil on your hair before you bleach it and it like protects it a bit. So I might put some castor oil on. It did say coconut oil, but I don't have any of that. So I'm gonna put some castor oil on my hair. Oh my god, it itched so badly. But I am gonna do another layer of bleach. Now, I know if there are any hairdressers watching at home, you're probably all yelling at me. I know it's probably not okay to do. My hair might fall out, it might break off, but I feel as though I just can't leave it like this, and I'm really impatient and I really want to do it all tonight. It's the next day and this is what my hair looks like. You'll be glad to know I did not bleach it for a third time because I came to the realization that my hair is not invincible. So this is what it looks like. My only, like, I really like it, but the only thing is because I bleached my sideburns and because I'm so pale, it looks like it just kind of blends in and it looks as if I've shaved it. That's like all blonde. Oh, I also did the toner, which didn't really do anything. I don't think their toners are the best, to be honest. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like it. You like it? Mm-hmm. It's not too yellow. Like, there definitely are like brassy bits, but I actually don't think it looks bad with the rest of my hair. Please don't take any tips from me from this video and don't bleach your hair twice in a row. I actually did put the bleach on for a third time, and then I kept looking up all these different websites that were like, your hair's gonna break off if you bleach it like twice, even twice in a week, which I'd already done. So I was like, right, fine, I'm just not gonna do it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.